What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the phone is not turning on issue on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So to fix this issue, first of all plug in your charger for at least 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes try force restarting your phone. So to force restart, press and hold on the power button for at least 20 to 30 seconds, and after 20 to 30 seconds it will show a logo on your screen. So when you see a logo on the screen, then you can release the key, and after that the phone will be turned on. Now for extra security, tap on settings and then tap on about phone, then tap on the software version, and from here update your phone's software to latest version to fix this issue 100%. So that's how you can fix the Xiaomi POCO phone which is not turning on. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.